Hello excursionistas! Welcome back to my channel, Excursionista Diaries. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magluto ng pizza roll na pwede nyo rin gawing business at home. So please keep on watching! These are the ingredients for our pizza roll. 1 pack of sliced bread, 1 pack of breadcrumbs, 2 pieces of eggs, 2 pieces of atsal, 1 onion, a cheese, 200 grams of tomato sauce, an oil, enough for prito lang, and lastly, the 10 pieces small hot dogs. So let's get started! So the first step is hiwain natin yung hot dog, atsal, onion, at saka cheese ng lengthwise para naman po siya kasya sa ating sliced bread. So ito na nga ang ating hiniwang hotdog, cheese, atsal at saka onion. So iset aside muna natin ito at i-prepare natin yung bread. So ang next step natin is i-flatten natin ang ating sliced bread gamit ang rolling pin. At since wala naman akong available na rolling pin, magmo-modify na lang ako gamit ang baso at balutan ko ng plastic. So let's proceed. So ito na nga ang ating baso ang ating sliced bread. So ito na-flat na natin siya. So after na ma-flatten ang ating sliced bread, kunin na natin ang ating hotdog, atsal at onion at saka cheese na sinat aside para masimulan na ang next step. Before proceeding to our next step, i-prepare muna natin ang ating dalawang itlog, breadcrumbs at saka tomato sauce. Let's now proceed to our next step. Ito yung bread na na-flat na. Lagyan ng tomato sauce. Spread nyo lang evenly yung tomato sauce. Tapos lagyan ng hotdog. Lagyan ng cheese. Lagyan ng sibuyas. At saka bell pepper. At i-roll natin siya. After natin siyang ma-roll, i-dip natin siya sa ating egg. Tapos sa breadcrumbs. So ito na ang ating pizza roll. So after nating ma-roll ang ating mga ingredients, let's now proceed to our last step, which is prituhin natin ito under medium heat. So this is the finished product of our pizza roll. Nakagawa ko ng 20 pieces. Pwede mo siyang ibenta ng 5 pieces for 100 pesos o di naman kaya ay 20 pesos each. Thank you so much for watching at sana may natutunan kayo dito sa aking bagong video at kung meron man, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!